Control accounts can be referred in the paper with respect to the three names. They have three names. The first one is sales ledger control account. The second one is trade receivables control account, and the third one is debtors control account. On the other hand, when it comes to the payable side, once again we have three names. You may use it, you may call it as I think I'll make a control account over here and we'll write over here. It could be referred as purchase ledger control account, trade payable control account, and finally third one we have creditors control account. After this, I am going to make one format, a generic format of these. In a sale ledger control account, this is sales ledger control account, debtors control account. This would be used for date, this for amount, and this one is for the details or the particulars. Sale ledger control account. The opening balances would be over here. And generally it would be with the date of 1 or month, whatever the month is. Opening balance, and then whatever increases my trade receivable will be recorded on the debit side. For example, credit sales, it can be interest on overdue, and whatever decreases my trade receivables will be recorded on the credit side. And what includes that? It includes cash or bank, what my trade receivables have paid me, say credit sales return. This also reduces my trade receivable. Then we have discount allowed, okay. Then we may have cash, credit sales, discount allowed, bad debts and contra. Then we may have any bad debts and contra entries. Okay, after this what we will be doing is we will be closing the general transactions, we will be closing the entries, and what will be, I'll be the balancing the accounts, and my balancing figure will come on this side, and this balancing figure will be written as next month's opening balance, and here it will be mentioned as closing balance. On the same hand, this is the mirror approach that we'll be having the purchase ledger control account. Purchase ledger control account would be like this. I'll be having date, details, amount, once again date, details, and amount. As this is the creditors control account, when my liability increases, it is credited. Whatever will increase my liability will be recorded on the credit side. First of all, on the first date of the any month, it will be written as, the balance would be opening balance. Then credit purchases. What I am going to write is credit purchases. After that, whatever reduces my liability will be recorded on the debit side. What does that include? That includes any cash or bank I have paid to my trade payables, then credit purchase return, after that if I have received any discount received, obviously I'll be adding contra entry over here as well. You know, contra comes in the both and it reduces the balances. That's it. Obviously there are some nitty-gritties of refunds and others. We'll be talking about those as well, and you know, in later videos. Then I'll be balancing it. The balancing figure, generally the balancing figure will be on the debit side. Closing balance, and this will be transferred on the credit side with the name of opening balance of next month. Thank you.